Hello, we are going to do a 10-minute stretch today. And to begin with, I just want to let you guys know to go at your comfort. So I want you to feel the stretch, but I don't want it to feel like you're overexerting and possibly injuring yourself. So go as deep as it feels comfortable. You don't have to go as deep as I could go. You could also go deeper than I could go, but make sure you're doing it to what feels good. Okay, so we're going to be targeting mostly the lower body, and I want you to grab a mat or something comfortable to sit on. It could be the ground, but whatever makes you feel comfortable. And this is just gonna be a great stretch if you're sore, if you're warming up, if you're cooling down, but it's just kind of focusing. It's focusing on the lower body. So first we'll begin with just sitting crisscrossed. And then what I want you guys to do is to stretch forward. So stretch forward with me. And like I said, you can go here, you can go down, you can go all the way down. We'll hold this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we'll switch legs again. I'll go this way so you can see. So I'll go down, and we'll go down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go into a lunge like this. And what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna lean forward here. What I want is to put your weight forward. Oh, I'm wearing all black and it matches the back. But essentially you put your weight forward, but you don't want your knee to go in front of your foot. So if it's like this and you lean and you put all the weight on there, that's great, but you don't want your knee to go above your foot. If you want, you can go deeper as well by just pushing your leg back. So we'll hold this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll straighten our legs out like so. And you want to put both your hands on either side. You want to reach down and you'll feel the stretch all along your hamstring. So ideally you'd want to get your nose to your knee, but what we could do here is just go as far as it's good and hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So now we're gonna sit down. What I want is to have this leg go like this, kind of at a 45, or the opposite of 45, but kind of degree angle, all the way 90. Not all the way 90. It can be though, but you don't have to. And then we're gonna straighten the leg back. So you'll kind of feel it all under this part of your hamstring. And we're just gonna go like this, and we'll lean here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you could go deeper, then do it again, or just go a little further down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. So now we're gonna do the other side. So go like this, your lunge, lean forward, make sure it's not over, and feel the stretch all along here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now straighten the leg out. Hold this for here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to go down, take this leg out, do it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All the way, if you can, for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back up. I'm gonna slow it down a bit more. I'm gonna count slower. So now we'll butterfly. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then what we're gonna do is you have your leg out and you put this one up like this, and then you'll bring this leg up closer. So I'll do it from the side so you can see better. So if I have this leg, I put it up like a 4, I bring it closer, and we'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. We'll do it again. And you kind of want your ankle resting on your leg. So go like this. And hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we'll straighten our legs and we'll reach for our toes. So do this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll do it again. Just give a little rest, shake your legs out. We're gonna do it again, but we're gonna go further, or at least try to go further than we did the first time. So a little bit further for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And now I want you to face forward here. Ooh. And we're gonna go towards our right side. For me, it's my left, but towards your right side. We'll go down as low as we can. We'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now to your other side. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're gonna do that again. Back over to your right side. 4, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back over this way. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're gonna go straight down the middle. So go down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll shake it out. We're gonna go down the middle again. Shake, 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 shake. When you're ready, let's go further. So we'll go for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're gonna go to the side again and go to the left, but instead of putting both hands down facing forward, we're actually gonna face this way, more to the side of your leg, and we're gonna put this arm through and this arm over. And ideally you wanna be able to touch your leg, but just kind of go with what feels comfortable. So hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we'll do the other side. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. And then down the middle one last time. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll go back to this. Crisscross, back down to the middle. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch legs, and this will be the last stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so that is the leg stretch, and I hope you guys try it out, and it's very great. All right, see you guys.